It's game time. Are you ready to play a game and maybe learn something new too? Then we can both be very clever cats. Time for jigsaw puzzles. First, we need to sort our pieces. Left flat piece goes on the left-hand side. Flat on the top goes up top. Middle pieces go off to the side so we can find them later. After we get our frame completely built, pieces that are flat on the right side go off to the right, and pieces flat on the bottom go towards the bottom. So let's do all of our sorting work to make our puzzle easier to complete. And all our pieces are sorted. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. There's our edges. So let's start on the right side and build our frame edge. There we go. And the right side is built. Now let's build our bottom. This is a tricky puzzle because a lot of it is the same color. And that makes it hard to find clues to figure out what goes where. But by sorting, we have fewer pieces to worry about at a time. And that means that we can keep trying until we find the piece that fits just right. And we did it. We now have our bottom frame assembled. Now let's do the left side. The left side is assembled. And finally, the top of our frame. Try the pieces on each side until we find the ones that fit just right. And because there's only a few, it only takes a second. Whoops, I grabbed my whole puzzle. I don't want to do that. And our frame is done. Now, this one's tricky because a lot of it seems to be just tan. So the clues aren't quite as good, but we can use the color clues and the shading of the tan, as well as the shape of the puzzle piece, as clues to help us figure out what piece goes where. And if the piece doesn't fit, move it to the side and try the next piece. What creature could we be building today? Oh no, I moved the whole puzzle. There we go. We're making progress now. But I have no idea what our creature is. Have you guessed? Just by looking at the background? I'm gonna say it's something that lives in a dry place because everything's brown and crispy. And it's a grassy dry place. So that narrows it down a little bit. We know it's not a fish. Let's add a few more pieces and see if that gives us clues. That piece doesn't want to go anywhere. Nope. Keep trying different pieces until we've managed to find enough that the last few pieces go in easily. Our creature's all dappled and spotted too. Dappled means lots of different colors. We've got a face. Usually that's the clue that finishes up my guess. Did you guess yet? Put 2 more pieces, and then I'll see if I can make a guess. There we go. I think we're building the African Wild Dog, which makes sense. He's living in the grassy area, probably during the dry season. There we go, the African Wild Dog. See his spotted body? No wonder it was so hard to do. He blends in with the environment, and that makes him a better hunter, huh? That was a lot of fun. I'm so glad that you decided to learn and play with me today. We're getting quite clever. Now it's time for you to check your schedule, and I will see you in our next class.